الذين ينفقون في السراء والضراء والكاظمين الغيظ والعافين عن الناس والله يحب المحسنين.
Who spend in the cause of Allah during ease and hardship, and who restrain anger and who pardon the people, and Allah loves the doers of good.
World Women Organization की ऊंची शान है. World Women Organization.
The WMO, since its inception through the initiative of Haji Abdul Razzaq Yaqub Gandhi, ARY, and his respected team, in 2002 has been involved in the uplift of the Memon community. The Pakistan chapter of WMO is continuously striving for the welfare of the Memon community in Pakistan through various schemes. 3 projects of WMOPC are the cornerstone of all activities. 1. Education. 2. Rehabilitation. 3. MITI. This presentation will provide a detailed insight into these and other activities of the WMOPC in 2016. Under the guidance of the Regional Vice President Mr. H.M. Shahzad, office bearers and the RMC members, various committees chairmen have been ably conducting their activities of welfare of the Memon community, fulfilling the goals of the slogan of serving mankind. Education. Education is the top priority of WMOPC. Primary, secondary and professional education. Our goal is 100% literacy in the Memon community by 2020. 11,000 students from Montessori to intermediate level are registered under the Education for All program. Starting from 2,000 students in 2008 and 9 with an expenditure of 8.5 million rupees. It has reached 11,000 students in 2015-16 with an expenditure of 131 million rupees. In the higher education sector, 100,000 rupees are provided to each needy student annually. At present, 660 students are registered under this scheme at an annual expenditure of 20 million rupees. Rehabilitation. Housing is a major problem faced by the Memon community. A comprehensive scheme of rehabilitation was launched in 2004 in which 7,225 applications were received. In 2016, 2 million rupees were provided as rent to 70 applicants, while 60 million were provided for purchase of flats to 55 applicants. The Youth Wing. The Youth Wings has played an inspiring role with various programs aimed at strengthening and empowering our new generation. Global Career Guidance Program is committed to equip the youth for a challenging and successful future. Think Wise, Agar Tum Chaho is another such program to encourage young minds to highlight the problems of the community and suggest solutions. WMO Ladies Wing. Ladies Wing has been an important part of Pakistan chapter. They carry out various membership as well as many charitable and welfare events. One such project was called Living Life, through which warm blankets were distributed among the poor families. Rozgar Scheme. Rozgar Scheme, which was launched in 2011 to provide livelihood to deserving persons. Until 2016, 142 rickshaws were provided at a cost of 25 million rupees. This was made possible through the donation of our member Mr. Farooq Ahmed. Microfinance Scheme. microfinance scheme has been providing initially small loans of up to rupees 10,000 to small entrepreneurs, which is increased to rupees 20,000 subsequently. Memon Industrial and Technical Institute, MITI. MITI came into existence as a project of WMO-PC in 2009 with the objective to provide vocational training to youth from the lower income class who were fated to become street children with all the risks involved, especially leading to violence and extremism. The project, which started with 250 students in 2009 in 7 trades, is now providing training to more than 12,000 students, 7,000 females and 5,000 males annually in more than 60 courses in the technical and IT fields. Besides 3 years diploma, DAE classes are also in progress in 6 technologies. MITI is now training partners with all leading national and international institutions such as United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, USAID, National Vocational and Technical Training Commission, Benazir Bhutto Shaheed Youth Development Programme, Cisco, Intel and others. Some of the unique training courses include media production, lift technician, photography, karate and professional chef. MITI was declared Best Vocational Training Institute in 2016 by NAVTTC, Government of Pakistan, at a ceremony presided by the President of Pakistan. All the objectives of the founders of MITI have been successfully implemented. We are now progressing to become a full-fledged university in the near future. In conclusion, it is pertinent to say that these activities of WMO-PC were possible due to the vision and philanthropic efforts of the community. It is necessary that this support should be further enhanced for more ambitious plans in the years to come for the welfare of Memon community.